Hello, good evening to everyone. Hello there.
Yes, ma'am.
Why, ma? What about others? They're not joining the class.
Don't know, ma'am.
What happened to Asfia? Hajira, what happened to Asfia? She's not joining the classes.
Don't know, ma'am. I'll just check out now.
Hmm. Okay, anyway, I'll start off the class. Let them join later. I'll share the screen. Screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we have to, the leftover is the net, this thing, what is that? Not this thing, trend, trend percentage. Okay. So the last method under this thing is, this particular chapter is trend analysis. It can also be called as trend analysis or trend percentage. Okay. So the desired, this thing is given here. Meaning or definition. Trend percentage is a technique of studying financial statements of a company over a number of years. Under this method, a representative year is selected as a base year. See how you calculate here is, we have to select a representative year as the base year for it, and the values of items in the base year are assumed to be 100. Then the relationship of each item in the subsequent years is expressed as a percentage of the same item in the base year. This means when an item is expressed as 100, all other values expressed in terms of the base year will reflect in trend, upward or downward. In relation to 100, any year may be taken as the base, but generally the starting or initial year is taken as the base year. Trend percentage may be used for both balance sheet and profit and loss account. So same way how we had done the problem based on the balance sheet and profit and loss account, even this trend percentage or trend analysis also will be done on the same thing. But here the criteria for the calculation of trend percentage is a little different. Okay. So the difference here is uh, here actually I did not give you yesterday. I was supposed to give you this. See, today I told you that there are certain notes problems here. There is a formula. Okay, I'll send you this PDF again. You can just note down in your notes, or if you are writing in your notes, you can just write down there. See here, you can write down this. Actually, uh, yeah, trend analysis. They have written the formula here. See, you have trend analysis formula. That is nothing but current year divided with base year into 100. So this is a formula calculated for trend analysis. Okay. So now let me do this problem for you people. From the notes, I'll teach you one problem. Okay. Uh, from the notes, it is easy. Okay. The calculation is easy. Then we can start off with this. Even this is also easy only. No issues. Otherwise, we can start with this. This also. No issues. Okay. So here, how exactly we have to do here is, okay, let's take up this problem itself. See, from the following information, interrupt the results of operations of a manufacturing concern using the trend ratios. Use 2007 as a base year. See, actually here 2007 they have given. Okay, actually this is a textbook error here. Usually they have given to you from 2011, 12, 13 and 14. So that means printing error here, using 2011 as a base year. So we are going to take 2011 as the base year. We are going to consider 2011 as a base year. Kindly correct that. There is a question where they have mentioned 2007. Make it as 2011. Okay. So the question they have given to us in the following, in the form of 1 lakhs, that is amounts in lakhs. Okay. So amount in lakhs for the year ended. But then they have given us in the form of digits here. Okay. Numbers here. But we have to assume it in the form of lakhs. Okay. So year wise, they have given net sales. For all the 4 years, they have given different amounts. Okay. Then cost of goods sold also they have given 4 different amounts for all the 4 years. Then gross profit, operating expenses, and net operating profit. So out of this, we are supposed to calculate the trend percentages. We are supposed to calculate. Okay, so to calculate the percentage, same way you write down the format also. See how you have to take the format for this is, as usual, write down the year, whatever they have provided under the year, the items under the year, and the columns. The columns also should be in the form of 4 years. Okay. So now what they're telling you here is, consider 2011. Use this 2011 as a base year. So using this 2011 as a base year, like earlier I told you, see in the definition they have given, see here, you have to assume, see the second line, a representative year is selected as the base year and the values of item in the base year are assumed to be 100. So whichever the base year you are selecting, so we have selected 2011. So all the items will be considered as 100 rupees for this, or 1 lakh rupees. Now they are asking us to convert in lakh rupees, isn't it? So this will be taken as 100. Not not lakhs of rupees, but you have to consider this because you have to find the percentage, isn't it, under this. So always you should take 2000, the base year you should always take it as 100. Taking this as the entire thing as 100, you are supposed to calculate the following years, that is 12, 13 and 14. But how do you calculate? The calculation is very, very simple here. Okay. So see, take up this one. Take up the 2012 amount. What is it given there? 95. Okay. So I gave you the formula also. Okay. What is the formula given here? See, the formula here is current year divided by base year into 100. Now, what is the current year? Base year is 2011. Now, what are you proceeding with the next year? That proceeding next year becomes the current year. So, what is the amount given to you in the next year? 95. So, this 95 divided with 100. This now we have taken all, we have taken 100 as the common for the base year. So, 95 divided with 100 into 100, if you take it, you will get the percentage. Okay. So let me show you here. See here. 95 divided, that is the current year's amount, divided with 100 is the base year. And base year we are taking what? 100 only for all the common. For all the items we are taking the base year as 100 into again 100. If you multiply, see, you are getting 95. So this 95 will be written here, 95%. Okay. Same way you have to calculate the second year's 2013's sales. What is the net sales now? Again, you have taken 100 itself. So 120, 120, that is the current year's amount divided with 100 as a base year's 100 into 100 again. So you're getting 120. Okay. So 120 you're supposed to write. The answer also you're going to get 120%. Next, now everything is taken as 100 here, isn't it? So actually here everything is divided by 100, so you're getting the same amount here. So 95, 120% and 130%. Now let's take the second one, cost of goods sold. Okay. So here everything is given here in the form of answer itself. They provided you everything in the form of answer here. You don't need to minus or deduct here. See here they have given here. What was the net sales for you? 100 minus cost of goods sold is gross profit 40. Out of this they have deducted the operating expenses. Remaining net operating profit is 30. So you here you don't have to minus or add or do anything. Directly you just do the percentages. Okay. Now the 2011 for all the items we have taken as 100, because it is mandatory that we have to take 100. Only next following years only we have to calculate the percentage. Okay. Now let's take with the second one. What is the cost of goods sold? See now cost of goods sold under 2011 it was 60%, but here we are taking 100% because this becomes the base year for us, and base year should always be 100. Okay. So 100, what is this thing here? 2012 may we have 58. Okay. So now 58, 58. Now see, now it changes. Okay. So 58, once again, first and second. So here we have to take the adjustment here. So now see the criteria here is now it will change. Why? Because see here under the one more thing I would like to tell you people. See, when you're taking the answers, you should mention 100 as the 100% is for 2011 year. Okay. But 2012, 13 and 14 only the percentages will change. Okay. So if you cannot take 100% only to calculate everything. Just because here net sales is given to you 100, that's the reason 2012, 13 and 14 you're getting same similar percentages. But second year it will change off. You know why? Because second year ka 60% is there. But when you're taking the answer, your second year's, that is 2011 year base year, that this has to be shown as 100%, but the value will change for the second year. Okay, that the value will change for the 2012. How the value will change is simple here, nothing doing here, the calculations here. Now what do you have in 2012 here? See, you have 58%. Now this 58% will become the current year. Now base year is what here? 60. So 58 divided by 60 into 100 you have to do. Only then you will get 96.6%, 67%. You cannot take 100% here. Only the 2011 is giving you 100% result, whereas the following 12, 13, 14 will change. To change these values, you have to compare this. You have to compare the previous base year's percentage with the current year's percentage to find the new values for the next year's. Okay. So now you have got 2012, 58 divided by 60 into 100. If you calculate, you get 96. So let's try here. See here, 58 divided by 60 into 100. So you got 96.67%. So we got 96.6%. So now same way you have to do it for 2013. But 2013, what is the percentage you have got here? 69.60. Now we have to compare this with the base year. Now base year ka 60. You cannot take 2012. This is the current year. First current year, second current year this is. So 2013 is 69.60 divided with 60 here. See, 69.60 divided with 60% into 100. You got 116%. Isn't it? See here. You got 116%. Okay. Same way you have to do it for 2014 also. Now 2014 is what? 72.80 hai. Now what is the base year amount given? Old. It is 60. But when you're taking the answer, you should mention at 100%. Okay. So now 72.80 divided with 60 into 100. You're going to get 121%. See here. 121.33%. Are you all understanding this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So similar way, you have to take the gross profit also. अब gross profit का base year कितना है? 40% है. But when you're taking the answer, the initial base year will always give you 100%. ठीक है? So for operating expenses also, you should take operating expenses 100%. Net operating profit also you should take 100%. But the percentage will keep changing for the next of the years. But you have to take this only as a base year. Now you have to take 40 as a base year. Keep dividing it with the rest of the years. So 36.10 divided by 40 will give you 90.25%. Then again 2013 में 50.40 divided with the base year 40 into 100, it will give you 126.40. Then next 57.20 is 2014. The base year is 40%. Okay. Then your answer will be 143.20. Okay. So like this, you have to keep on dividing it. Then operating expenses also, you take it as 100% in the answer, but the current years will keep changing. So now this is 110% as a base year. The current year is 9.70. 9.70 divided by 10 into 100 is 97%. Then 11 divided by 10 into 100 is 110%. Then 12 divided by 10 into 100 is 120%. Okay. Then next is net operating profit. Again, net operating profit, again in the answer, you take it as 100% here, whereas second years it will keep changing. So 26.40 divided by 30 into 100 is 88%. Then 39.40 divided by 30% into 100 is 131.33%. Then 45.20 divided by 30 into 100 is 150.67%. So this is how trend analysis takes place. Okay. And the term itself tells you trends means it keeps changing. It is a fluctuation from 1 year to second year. But the old year will remain same. Old year you should consider as 100%. Out of 100%, the remaining next forwarding years, how they keep changing their values. And the changing of the values is called as trend analysis. Okay. Is it clear to everyone? Anybody has any doubts?
No, ma'am, we don't have doubt in this.
Anybody who's not understood, please kindly refer the formula which I have given you. Refer करो formula, refer करने से पता चलता है. Okay. So practice this sum. And one more thing. Then you take up this sum also. See here. Take up the note sum. Is it visible? The screen is visible for you? Let me
Yes,
just
ma'am.
rotate this for you people. देखो यहाँ पे. Now this is calculate the trend percentage from the following figures of X Limited. See, taking 1998 base year. Okay. So 8 बोले तो okay. Year 1998 as a base year. Okay. इसमें sales है. So now this is a sales full amount. One second. Okay. Is it visible? Screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 1 second. People, they start calling. Okay. So now see here, year 2000. No, from 1998 it is starting. So what is the thing here? See, it is given to you in the form of vertical way now. Okay, it is not in horizontal. Now the information is given to you in the form of vertical way. So here 2009 to 1998 में sales is 1881. Then 1999 में 2340. Then 2000 में 2655. 2001 में 3021. 2002 में 3768. Okay, so like this they have given sales, pura sales. Then stock, then amount they have given, profit before tax also they have given. Okay, so you have to take up the information like this, draw the columns, computation of trend analysis, which is the thing they have asked you to take. 1998 is a base year. Okay, so see here, the calculations also have done here, but still you write down this thing here. They have done it like this, continuation they have done. 2019, 98, 99, 2000, 2001, 2002. Same way, write down the percentages also. 98 ka percentage, 99 ka percentage, that is year percentage they have given. Okay, this is year wise percentage. So first year, now what is the base year here? Base year is 98%. So 98 years ka pura 100% will be the common percentage. Now you have to calculate the percentage for from 2019-99. So how will you calculate 2019-99? So you have to take this
Rohit,
amount,
just
which is
one
amount. See here they
question
have
to
mentioned here.
Daya.
See, compare this like
I
this.
heard
They have
someone
given
was
in the
having issue
vertical
to
way,
fill out the
but you
form,
people
right?
prepare in a horizontal way first.
The
Prepare the
feedback
horizontal
form,
way. See now sales is come continuous now. 1998,
survey
1999,
form.
2000, 2001, 2002 like
Did you
this.
guys
Okay, it has
have?
to
You
go
do
with
not
the
have permission to
every
view
year. It has
or
to go with
respond to
the
this form, Daya?
horizontal way. Then that time you'll understand
Just
clearly.
open
Okay.
up
So now to calculate the
copy the hyperlink and
1999
open up a
percentage,
new
so you have to take the amount
incognito
here.
window,
Now what is the
and you
amount of
should be able
the this thing
to
here?
work
1999.
it out.
It is 2340 because now this becomes current year. 99 becomes a current year.
So you must be.
98 becomes the
I'm sorry. I'm gonna
base year.
share my screen
Okay.
just to
So
show you.
2340 divided with 1881. Then you'll be getting the percentage for 1990%, 1999 year. That is 124.40.
Right. So
Okay. Same way you have to do this one also. Now you have to calculate for 2000 year. So 2000 year amount, what is the amount? 2655. Okay, 2655 divided with, which is a base year,
okay.
1881.
Use it on Edge,
Okay,
Internet
so that you
Explorer,
have to
or
divide
open
it,
up a new
then you'll get the answer.
incognito mode
Okay,
that will
so I
not have
think
you
you can
signed
do
in
this.
into
I
the
don't have to explain you again. Anyway, the
PKI
calculation in
network
the
that
pencil, it was
will
done
ask
here,
you to go
but
with
it
the
has not
PKG
come out
network.
clear. So kindly practice
So
this. Okay, it is
that way
easy.
you will have it,
Refer this also, refer
be able
this
to
also,
fill it out.
and refer this also. Do this problem from the notes, and one write on the this thing also, formula. For the formula I've given you like this. If you want, you can also refer the definition. Okay, definition be refer karo. And there is one more problem here also. First problem they have given in the form of profit and loss account. This one, cost of goods sold. Iska bhi they have given you only 2 years. This will be very easy for you. Okay, they have given you only 2 years, taking 2003 as a base year and 2004 as a current year. Okay, पहले तो इसका आंसर कैसा आता है देखो यहाँ पे. See here, they have written like this: computation of trend analysis. They have taken accordingly here. Okay, then to first year, that is the base year, 100% पूरा लेकर है. यहाँ पे it is not visible properly. But for the second year, they have compared this. How you have done the comparison? 8 lakh divided by 10 lakh into 100 like this. 4 lakh divided by 6 lakh into 100. Then 4 lakh divided by 4 lakh into 100. Like this you have to do it. Will you all do it?
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
It is easy, ma. Try karo. Okay. This one again, this question is repeated again. Okay, this one I already did now. That is 98, 99 ka. This question is repeated while taking the click. You ignore this and just do 3 problems. Which 3 problems under trend analysis? The textbook problem one you refer. Then notes this problem. 99, 1998 ka problem. And this computation of profit and loss account. Okay, computation of profit and loss account iska karo. Then I think balance sheet का एक problem है. I thought I'll give you all. Yeah, balance sheet का भी है, similar है. I will forward you in the this thing in the group. Okay, let me just forward it. Okay, not now, maybe later I'll
Yeah,
just
it
forward.
should be your
Okay.
phone code, right?
But did you all understand the method to do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, anybody who did not understand, you can answer me. You can question me. What about Akmal? He's there. Akmal, are you there?
Okay.
Have you understood this concept?
Yeah, you just add it,
I
right?
think he's busy in meetings.
Authenticator, click on
Okay,
add,
anyway. Okay, then I want you
delete
people to
it.
write something for tomorrow's class. Okay,
Okay,
let me
and
just
in
wind up
that
with this.
case,
Trend analysis is over.
just
One balance sheet ka
contact
problem
writer
I will
group,
send you. Balance
saying
sheet
that
problem
you
also
lost
you
your
do it
phone
in the same way.
and the new phone में
Okay.
ऐसा है करके
And
वो
now
मिलेगा.
I told you that I'm going to start with the next chapter for you people. So next chapter का ऐसा है. Uh, okay, this one. This one I think I did not forward. I did not forward in the group,
Yeah, I
but now I'm
asked
going to
everyone
forward
to
it.
see that
Okay.
one.
So next chapter for tomorrow or Sunday.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Tomorrow or Sunday I'll start
No,
this.
no, no.
Fund flow
That
statement करके chapter
this
number 4
one
लिखो. Okay.
escalation metrics. Are you
Write the
guys
meaning of
following
this.
that?
Meaning of funds flow statement.
Where
Read the definition.
I will show
Okay.
you 10
Some
tickets
2 or 3 sentence
where
you
it
can
was
write.
not
The
followed
funds flow
with
statement is an
everyone.
attempt to report the flow of funds between the various assets and liabilities and
The
owner's
recent
capital
tickets I can show.
during an accounting period. In the words of the Smith and Brown, funds flow statement is prepared to indicate in the summary form
No.
changes and trends if prepared or regularly occurring in the item of so and so.
It
Okay,
should be
and they have
estimated
also given
after
you the meaning of
24
funds
hours
here.
because
You
after
also write
48
down this.
hours
Funds is
they will
nothing
not
but
have a
which is
record
equal to
and they will
current
not
assets
have
minus
nothing to ask.
current liabilities, and funds are also called as working capital. Okay, this you can also consider as working
Yeah, we
capital.
should
Working
start
capital is
estimating
equal
after
to
24 hours
current
only. We
assets
should
minus
not
your
wait.
current
And see
liabilities.
orange ticket
Okay,
also.
then uske baad, yeah, after writing this thing, you ignore this illustration. Illustration 4.1 is not there. Okay, you start off with the format. See, preparation. I have written here format 1. This format you mention. Okay, are you all listening? Are you all there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, फॉर्मेट नंबर 1 लिखना है. क्या लिखना है? प्रेपरेशन ऑफ फंड्स फ्लो
Orange
स्टेटमेंट करके
Russia.
हेडिंग डाल के
Orange
राइट ऑन
Russia
दिस फॉर्मेट.
number
दिस इज द फर्स्ट
of
फॉर्मेट.
Anup. It is
Then
pending from
next
past 8
second
days.
format भी यही पे
Now
है
my
देखो.
orange ticket is
See the
pending from
second one.
past
Here
5
I've
days.
written in the pencil. It
They
is
are
a little
estimating
blur
to
here.
first level, second
Second
level,
format
now
okay,
to the
funds flow
7th
statement
level
for the
itself.
period.
But we
Write on
cannot
all the
accept that
items.
response,
Okay,
right?
that is issue of shares,
I don't know
issue
if
of
they are
debentures,
responding.
loans from institutions,
If they are
sale of
responding to
non-current
their
assets, funds from operation.
so we should not
Then
care if
decrease in the
it
working
is being
capital
estimated to their
balance figure.
zero.
Then coming to
All
your,
we are
this is
asking is
this comes
when
under
is our
sources of
response?
funds heading,
Correct?
and next heading is application of funds. उसमें redemption of preference
So
shares,
that is one thing
redemption
that
of
need
debentures,
to be noted for
repayment of
lot.
loans, purchase of
Okay,
non-current
that is
assets,
impact
payment
on
of
this.
dividend taxes, loss from operations, etc. Then here
Okay.
increases in the working capital balance figure. The difference है, जो भी differences आता है उसका, या फिर decrease, अगर decrease आ रहा है तो you'll consider this as decrease in working capital.
No,
If it
that's it, guys.
increasing,
But
that depends.
however,
I'll tell you how to do that.
congratulations.
Okay,
Next year.
increasing working
Okay.
capital. So this is the
Then
second format to be written.
back to
Then ignore this table. Okay, sources of funds is not required.
meeting place.
Then go with the
Hope
second
you
format.
enjoy.
Again, see, you have this one. Take this also. Take this format also, because this is yeah, actually this is the alternative method. I
We'll
want
be
you
in
to write
live with
both.
Alankruta.
I forgot to tell you people. See, statement of sources and application of funds. It is the what is that? Alternative method. But both also you write. This method also you write, and this method also you write. Okay. Then comes the second most format. Second most format. Write it as statement of changes in the working capital.
There is
Capital.
anything
This
like
is
that.
very very important. Okay. So here, write down this format. Take down the definition also. Okay, you can just write down from the table. A small table is given here. See, statement of changes in working capital is prepared only from the information given in the balance sheets. This is done on the basis of balance sheet information. Okay, so this is very
Yeah,
important
done that.
format here.
Okay.
Write down as
Chalo,
changes in
thank
the
you guys.
statement of changes in the
We'll
working
get back
capital.
there. Okay.
Start with this previous year,
Talk to
current
you
year.
on
उसके बाद four
Tuesday, I
columns.
believe,
The
right?
previous year,
Chalo,
current
Monday
year.
you guys
Then
will
again
log
on
in.
the effects on working capital में increases plus and decreases.
Monday
ये
evening you would
signs you
log
have to
in,
write.
right?
And
We will
here
log in
you get
early morning
current
Monday.
assets. What are your
So
current
we'll meet
assets?
over
Only
there.
the current assets should be taken. Under this statement of changes in working capital, not all the assets will come, not all the liabilities will come. Only what is given to you here in the table. Okay, what is provided to you in the table, only those items are going to be asked. And those items only are to be taken in the consideration of the format. Okay, so cash and bank, debtors, stock, prepaid expenses, bills, receivables,
Yeah,
etc.
no.
Land and building, fixed assets, goodwill, all that will not come here. But in the question they will give you. Okay. Normal balance sheet they
No,
will give you,
no. I
because balance
wanted
sheet has to
to
tally,
tell
isn't it, with your
everyone to follow
liabilities.
the
But
escalation
we are going
matrix
to take
because
only
after
these
48
items.
hours,
We are going to
they
take
are
only the
coming
current
back and
assets.
saying, okay,
Okay.
we do not have the
And same
records
way
and
applies
issues
for the
with us.
current liabilities also.
And
We are
so
not
they
going
are
to take
getting
all
the
the liabilities.
response
We are only going to
after
take current
two
liabilities.
or three
So that is
days.
creditors,
Orange or
bills payable,
Comcast or anyone.
outstanding expenses.
They are chuma sending a
And here, one more thing I
follow-up
would like to
email,
tell you,
but we are not receiving it yet.
provision of taxation
I'll
also will
get
come here.
quickly the ticket open for
Okay,
the long
remember
time.
this, write it in your notes there.
That is not
Okay,
how
when
it
you're
should be
when you're
done, right?
writing this, also write down provision for taxation. Provision for taxation is also a part of your current liability. Okay, in the format it is not given, but when you
Yeah,
do
you go ahead
the
and
this
go
thing here,
quickly. For me, I'll
problems,
have to wait
in
until
that there is a
that option turns
situation
into pink.
where yeah, provision of taxation can be considered as a liability also.
On
It
call, huh?
cannot be considered as a
Roasted,
liability
but
also.
is
Okay,
the
that is
roasted
optional for you,
updated
provision
on
of
the
taxation,
this one team?
wherein further problems they have given you.
No,
Consider provision of taxation as a liability. Taking
but
taking
is the
provision
roster
of
uploaded on the teams?
taxation
That way you're going to do one method, and not taking provision of taxation, in that way also you're going to do another method. Same method only, but only one item will not be taken. In one method it will be taken, in the second method it will not be taken. Okay, so further when you do the problems you will understand clearly, but still you mention and keep it here. Provision for taxation is, in bracket you write it as optional. Okay, then all these lines, all these formats should be by hearted, and this is the main reason why we are preparing the statement of changes in the working capital. This is very very important. What format it is here, that we have here, that you have to by heart again. While preparing the statement, it should be noted that how it should be noted. See, when there is an increase in the current assets results in increases, it increases in the working capital. It's nothing but you have to compare this previous year and current year में देखना which asset is increasing, whether it is a current year or whether it is a previous year. अगर current year में it is increasing, obviously you have to consider current year, always current year देखना whether it is in the increasing this thing or decreasing. अगर increase है तो the difference is between this that is a previous. Now example like देखो यहाँ पे previous year it is 10 rupee, current year it is 20 rupee. अब current year कितना हुआ, high हुआ, it is higher in price. Now what is the differences between this? 10 minus 20 is 10. Now you've got a positive answer. Now the differences of this, where are you going to take here? See, increases in working capital. Now you have two columns here. Increases का एक column है, decreases का है. तो इसका जो differences आता है 10 rupee, you have to take in the increasing column. That difference 10 rupee you have to take here. Okay. Same way, second method देखो. Now comes decrease. Decrease in current assets results in decrease in working capital. Now in case अब क्या है? Previous year में 20 rupees आ गया, current year में 10 rupee आ गया. अब current year का क्या है? 10 rupee. Always you should consider the amount of the current year. So 10 rupee minus है, that is you have got lesser. Previous year it is 20. So take the differences. 10 minus 10, 20 minus 10 is again 10. But this differences, where are you going to take? You're going to take in the decrease column.
In the increase column.
Decrease column you're going to take. We are talking about current assets only. Decrease in current assets results in decrease in working capital. So the differences you should take in the this thing. See, I'll show you one answer here.
No.
On solution, I will show you.
He special, he will not join. Yeah, Ravi.
देखो यहाँ पे ऐसा, यहाँ पे स्टेटमेंट ऑफ चेंजेस इन वर्किंग कैपिटल है ना. देखो अब यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, देखो अब प्रीवियस ईयर कितना है, 1 लाख है, करंट ईयर कितना है 85. ये डिक्रीज होगा ना अमाउंट, ठीक है. तो करंट ईयर हमने हमेशा हाई आना टू मेंशन इन द वर्किंग कैपिटल. नाउ व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? 1 लाख माइनस 85,000 इज 25,000, सॉरी 15,000. अब ये 15,000 कहाँ पे लेना? वाई? बिकॉज करंट ईयर का ही लेस हो गया है, तो वी शुड टेक इन द डिक्रीज कॉलम. Okay, so like this you have to take. Now which one you're doing? You're doing the current assets. So that's the reason. See, clearly they have given to you here. The format they have given to you here. This one you should by heart. This one. Okay. Decreases in the current assets results in the decreases in the working capital. Then next you have
6 o'clock login.
increases. Now comes the
Ravi, if there is
current
any
liabilities.
meetings or
अब current
anything,
liabilities में क्या है?
half an hour
It is vice
and not
versa.
beyond that.
Okay. Increases in the current liability will, with that amount should take in the working capital.
Yeah.
Decreases in the current liability, it results in the positive, that is the increases in the working capital. ठीक है. Current assets will follow the normal method. Increase है तो increase working capital में लेना है. Decrease current asset है, decrease column में ही लेना है working capital. Only current liability में अगर increase हो रहा है, it should be opposite. The amount should be taken in what is that? Decrease column में working capital. And when there is a decrease in the current liability,
Let's hope
it
that
should
it
result in the
improves
difference should result in the
month.
positive, that is the increase working capital column. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
When you do the problem you will know it, no issues. Okay, तो ये हो गया second format. Second format के इसके साथ लिखो, ये जो फॉर्मेट है इसका जो प्रोसीजर है उसके साथ लिखकर अंडरस्टैंड करो. Anyway, I have written in the reading also there, and this will also may help you people. Okay. Actually here I did one mistake. This should be decrease. ठीक है, ये just correct कर लो थोड़ा. I think one of my student has written this. CA, when it is increased, that is current asset is increasing, working capital also will increase. Current asset, if it is decreasing, working capital also will decrease, not increase. Yeah, please kindly correct this. Then यहाँ पे उल्टा हो जाता, देखो जब इंक्रीज हो रहा है करंट लायबिलिटी में, साइमल्टेनियसली डिक्रीज हो जाएगा वर्किंग कैपिटल में, देन डिक्रीजेस इन द वर्किंग करंट लायबिलिटी, इंक्रीजेस इन द working capital. The difference is amount. Okay, so that way you have to do it. Then next is third format. देखो यहाँ पे third format है, that is pro forma of adjusted profit and loss account. This is the last format. 3 formats will be prepared under the funds flow statement. Important. Okay, so pro forma prepare करो. Your यहाँ पे debit column, credit column, under that write down the heading. To non-fund items, what are the non-fund? Only these items should be considered. They'll give you extra other items also, but these formats should be by hearted again. Okay, so without the this thing, if you don't remember the formats, you'll not be able to do the problems. Okay, so better you people do the formats. Okay, and this is the last format. It will be done, this particular format will be done only when you do the first 2 formats. Okay, that is sources of applications of funds and working capital, statement of changes in working capital. करने के बाद ही you have to take this third format, because यहाँ पे you will be taking certain items. So you will be taking by funds from operation. Okay, यहाँ पे लेना पड़ता है. Okay, तो यहाँ पे थोड़े items भी यहाँ पे consider करना पड़ता है, तो इसीलिए this is the third format. Okay, so kindly go through this and write down this. To non, what all comes under to non-fund items? So you have depreciation, depletion, loss on sale of fixed assets, premium on redemption of debentures, debentures or preference shares, discount on issue of shares and debentures, goodwill written off, patents written off, preliminary expenses written off. Okay, all these comes under your non-fund items. Non-fund items which cannot be again kept for any purpose, for a sale purpose, or which do not have any value further. Okay, so those things comes under non-fund items. Or otherwise the funds cannot be returned. The item, there are certain items from the company where they cannot refund the money back for certain reasons. Okay, then appropriation of profits. Now appropriation means something like in a positive this thing item, some positive items which gives you more value. Okay, what are those? You have general reserve, debenture sinking fund, proposed dividend. Proposed dividend, it can give you the answer in the form of equity and preferences. Then you have interim dividend, which is very, very important. Taxation provision, I told you to mention in the this thing now in that format. See, if it is not taken in the changing of working capital, it will be taken, it will be considered here in this format. Taxation of provision. Then debenture sinking fund again. Okay, twice they have repeated here, debenture. Okay, debenture sinking fund, second and last. So only one you can take. Then as usual, towards your credit column, to net profit brought forward. Net profit, this they will give you. Okay, opening and closing, they will give you in the question only. Profit and loss account they will give you, so that is not the issue. Then next is your expenses come towards your debit column, your incomes and gains come towards the credit column. So next we have by non-operating incomes, any incomes from interest, that is from indirect. Okay, if you're receiving any extra incomes, that will be taken here in this column. So that is interest received, dividend received, refund of taxes, profit on sale of non-current assets. Okay, so the one thing you have to remember, loss on sale of fixed assets. Fixed assets यानी के this thing, land, building, अगर उसके ऊपर कोई losses होकर है, that adjustments will be taken under non-fund items. And one more thing, this should be very much it should be taken in the form of like differences. Okay, you should know the difference between the loss on sale of fixed assets and the profit on sale of non-current assets. See, losses will be taken under non-fund, but here they have given you profit on sale of non-current assets. If there is any profit on that sales, that will be taken. Okay, so this is the third format. All right.
There are 5 weeks.
So next is
this month.
next I'll tell you. First you write down the formats and keep it. We will start with the solutions. Okay. Mostly inshallah we'll start from tomorrow itself. All right. I'll start from here. Problem number 4.1. Your actual problems will start from here. Easy only. There is nothing to worry about it. This chapter is easy. But the thing is, 3 formats also should be. You should know the formats to do this form, to do the this thing particular sums, because if you don't understand the format, if you don't know the format, you'll not be able to do the problems also. So that's the reason I have given you the formats. I repeat again. Okay, what is the first format? Write down the theory part. Okay, a little bit of theory you can just write down. Then next is first format,
Yeah.
statement of sources and application
Shall I
of
add
funds.
or no?
This is one method.
Wait,
An
let's
alternative
say
method is
as
this.
2
See, they
days
have given you here. At the top only they have
26th.
mentioned. Alternative, the funds flow
You
statement
have
may be
2 days
prepared
off
in T
here,
form also.
Saturday, Sunday.
That is table form also. Apart from horizontal, this thing horizontal,
yeah.
vertical way, we can also prepare in the form of
20.
T form, that is table form. Nothing doing here. Whatever they have taken, no sources of funds, that will be taken here. Where it will be taken? It will be taken towards the debit column. The remaining items, that is application of funds, will be taken under the applications of funds, that is towards the credit column. So the differences between that will be considered as increase in the working capital or decrease in the working capital. That's all. Taking these two informations here.
Add another one here.
Total sources, total application.
One,
Now, net or decrease in the working capital, total sources. The differences between this will be called as your increases or decreases. Now, that depends. If this is increasing, total sources are increasing, you will get a positive working capital amount. If total applications are increasing, then you will get the negative. That is the decrease in the working capital. Okay, so this is one format. Then next you have second format. I told you, that is changes, statement of changes in the working capital. Again, with this you have to take this, what is that, this explanation, the format to calculate the differences. This is the differences. Okay, exactly like this only you have to write it in your notes also, format also. Okay, then next is the last one, the third format, that is adjusted profit and loss account. Is it clear to everyone?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so kindly do this. Prepare the first, finish this trend analysis ka. Okay, so the trend analysis ka, I'll share you the problem. I'll share you the link again. Okay, last 3 pages ka I will send you. One question is repeated, so kindly ignore that and do the 3 problems and keep it ready. Okay, ये 3 problems करो. उसके बाद start off with the funds flow statement. I'll forward both. Okay, I'll forward both. I'm sending the PDF.
Okay, we should just ask Abhishek.
Okay, what's happened to this?
But all good here.
Okay, I think I can't share like this. I have to share it in the form of other way. Okay, anyway, I will share it later after the end of the class. Anybody has taken the